story. During the Art of the Theme Show tour on the Disney Wonder, they explained that while her sister ship, the Disney Magic, was welded together from two separate pieces, creating a seam you can see on Deck 4, the Disney Wonder was built in one piece, but had a welding line added to make it match. This tradition of storytelling and attention to details carries through all aspects of the Disney Cruise Line. It's why there are hidden Mickeys all over the ships and Castaway Cay. It's why my children feel as though they're 10 feet tall when they walk in the kids' club, although the lower ceilings do help. It's why the counselors know all about my daughter's dairy allergy before we even check into the clubs. It's why my husband can unplug on a deserted island but still get cell phone reception. It's why the room steward so perfectly creates stingrays and alligators have towels and sunglasses. It's why I became known as that Disney cruise lady and spend time happily sharing and planning and dreaming for other people's trips. It's why we trust Disney to take us farther around the world than we would ever have gone before, without leaving any of the comforts of home behind. The magic of storytelling lives in the love that each of us have for those tiny details. Pixie dust is real, y'all.